episode will cover a lot of ground, including the speculations and reports that are going around, as well as Trump's objectives regarding Bitcoin. Recently, a new category of cryptocurrencies was added to these trading websites and monitoring websites that exclusively show tokens from the USA. The USA is where this cryptocurrency is made. I think the questions of what Trump will do with Bitcoin taxes and which assets will be subject to taxes are being addressed. Sit back and relax, and let's get started immediately. At $104,199, Bitcoin is currently down 2.35% from the previous day. At $3,296 USD, Ethereum is currently down 0.36%. XRP is stable at number 3 with $3.12 after a 3.99% decline. On all hourly charts, nevertheless, we are seeing a little recovery. The market worth of all cryptocurrencies is $3,595,000, with the goal of reaching $3,600 billion. Now, please be sure to join our Telegram group if you haven't already. Another chart will be released this morning. If you want to be a part of an amazing community where you can ask questions and learn new things, this is the place to be. And perhaps even impart your knowledge to others. We launched a Telegram around 2 weeks ago. The link is in the description of my YouTube video. After we obtain this, Resilient shines, the price of XRP is anticipated. Price started a fresh ascent above $3.25. It is currently up, and if it breaks $3.18, it might start to increase again. Yes, the pivotal figure for XRP at the moment is $3.18. The study states that the price is presently trading below the $3.20 100 simple moving average. An important rising channel is forming on the hourly chart, with $3.06 serving as support. The pair may start a new upward trend if it stays over $3. We therefore want XRP to stay over $3 and possibly rise again to about $3.36, give or take. Is a breakout in XRP at $3.13 imminent? Is it getting faster? As said earlier, I believe the Trump pump will take place by the end of the month or the beginning of February. Supporters of blockchain said, hey, the XRP chart is showing a bull flag, and I really believe that. Bitcoin will finally take off at that time. They are bullish, thus you want to see a bull flag. Thus, he is likewise looking for a potential breakthrough. I like how things are going, folks, and I'm glad XRP was able to maintain its above $3 level. Indeed, a tiny amount of wick was reduced to about $2.88, but it was short-lived. It was a really small, fragile wick, which is nothing at all, and it wasn't a candle shape or closure. At this point, which is about $2.88, give or take, we can begin to move back up. You can see that we are bullish about the 4-hour, 1-day, and 1-month markets, despite the fact that it only the first day on XRP. Will a breakout occur soon? If Bitcoin starts to gain traction, expect the rest of the market to follow. Then, for Max Data app, as you can see right here, this means that this number is usually in the negative range if it goes negative. When it is 2 or less, like it is down here, you can see that the price is increasing. We're almost at an A.1 right now. Let's keep an eye on the order books. That may seem like a lot, but XRP doesn't really need to rise in value. About 3 points are involved. 5 million XRP, as we'll call it, isn't much compared to earlier move-ups. On these order books that needed to be broken, we were looking at anything from 11 to 19 million. We currently require about 5 million XRP to get back to the $3.30 level, and an additional 10 million XRP to get to $3.40. We understand that this order book could fill up rapidly, especially if XRP starts to gain popularity. When people start to peek in and FOMO into XRP, these order books are quickly devoured. Pay attention to this and the order books that are available. This comes from Binance, and this new category of cryptocurrencies has been made available by all of the major monitoring websites. This is important. We're talking about the most popular US-created currencies, and it makes me think of something that will be pertinent to Trump's tax-free cryptocurrency idea. Naturally, the Trump currency is listed first, followed by XRP, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Avex, Stellar, Sui, HBOR, Litecoin, and Uniswap. Filecoin, Aptos, Omdo, Alderon, Stacks, Injective, Theater, Movement, Gala, Optimism. All I know is that I'm happy to have a lot of these because we're going to see a lot of money flowing into them if they're the assets that won't be subject to capital gains taxes. This is due to the fact that depending on the new regulations, you may not be assessed or required to pay capital gains tax if you hold these assets for a year or if you cash them out without a time limit. People, if that's true, there will be a significant inflow of money into these assets from American holders. As money comes in, the price goes up. It's as simple as that. I'm happy. Among the coins I've been grabbing are XRP, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Avalanche, Stellar, Hardera, and Gala. I get a lot of these. This makes me feel so good. When I mentioned that I was buying a sizable quantity of Chainlink, I felt secure. We discovered that Trump's World Liberty DeFi platform now owns $6,700,000 in total, having recently purchased an additional $4,700,000 worth of Link. So if Trump's initiative is buying Chainlink, what do they know? It's a fairly simple narrative, and I always tell it to you. Invest in these assets before the institutions do. Trump's average purchase price for this, I think, was between $24 and $25. Since our dollar cost average is lower than theirs, we perform better. We beat them in, though maybe not as much as the institutions. If I had $4 million, I would put it in the markets and soon double or triple that value, giving me almost $12 million. What are you aware of? As I said before, retail is priced out. Retailers cannot use this money. This is a really bullish indicator, nevertheless, people. Then we get to this. The